Hello, and welcome back to the M5v6 YouTube. Let's dive in. Imagine a group of big names in American politics quietly stepping into the world of digital money, and suddenly a new player called World Liberty Financial, WLFF, is everywhere. The twist. This venture is backed by the Trump family. They teamed up with financial experts to roll out USD1, a stablecoin meant to stay pegged to the US dollar, but with the speed and freedom of cryptocurrency. From the moment it launched, people couldn't stop talking. In just days, USD1 shot up to a market value of over $2.2 billion. That's the kind of story that turns heads and breaks the internet. What really makes this news is not just the massive price tag. It's the deal that followed. WLF struck a partnership with a major Abu Dhabi group called MGX, sealing a $2 billion agreement that promises to bring USD1 into new global markets. Picture this. Middle Eastern investors pouring cash into a coin backed by a former president's family. It sounds like a headline you'd scroll past, but it's real, and it's changing how people see power and money. Behind the scenes, the WLF team worked fast. They set up the technology, got regulatory clearance, and launched marketing campaigns all at once. Videos flooded social media, experts weighed in on TV, and everyday people debated whether it was a smart move or just another high-stakes gamble. Some said USD1 could become the world's next big safe asset. Others warned about risks when politics gets tangled with finance. Either way, no one could ignore it. Now think about the impact on the wider crypto world. First, investors who have been burned by volatility might see USD1 as a new safe harbor. If it really holds its peg, it could draw money away from other stablecoins and even from riskier tokens. That means projects that rely on lending, borrowing, or liquidity pools might see less activity. Liquidity could shift toward USD1, leaving some DeFi platforms scrambling to adjust. On the other hand, regulators in the US and beyond will be watching closely. A stablecoin backed by a former president's family raises eyebrows in Washington and Brussels. Lawmakers may feel pressure to tighten rules around political figures issuing digital assets. Any hint of insider advantage or market manipulation could spark hearings, new legislation, or even sanctions. For crypto companies already nervous about compliance, this could seem like a warning sign that the next wave of regulation is coming. Then there is the question of trust. Crypto has always been a mix of innovation and skepticism. USD1's success could boost confidence among banks and big institutions that have stayed on the sidelines. They might feel more comfortable working with a stablecoin that has high-level endorsements and deep pockets behind it. That could open doors to new services like crypto-based payments or interest accounts offered by familiar financial brands. But all of this also adds a layer of political drama to what was once a purely technical debate. Every tweet about USD1 will carry political weight. Memes and news clips linking the Trump family to daily trading volumes will become part of the narrative. Viewers making videos about this story can tap into that drama by showing how tweets, speeches, and market charts all connect. In the end, this is more than a coin launch. It is a live experiment at the crossroads of money, politics, and technology. If USD1 stays stable and gains global adoption, it could become a model for future projects. If it falters, it will serve as a cautionary tale about mixing power with protocols. Either way, it will shape the next chapter of crypto history. The code is 56,567.